Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into NTB credit card online. If you want to get access to your National Tire and Battery credit card service, then watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the search box, type in NTB credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says Tire Battery Company credit card login or apply, and this will take you to this page where you can see this interface. Your National Tire and Battery credit card is issued by CitiBank. So in order to go ahead and log into your account, go to the left hand side of the screen and type in your user ID in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password. If you've not registered your card yet, you can click on this register your card button at the bottom and enter your credentials in order to register for your NTB credit card. Once you type in your information, you can click the sign on button, but in case you don't remember them, you can click on this retrieve user ID or reset password link respectively in order to get access to your credentials. If you'd like the system to remember user ID, click on this little box that says remember my user ID and the system will remember it for you whenever you are trying to log in next time on this computer. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked for your security and finally click the sign on button to get access to your NTB credit card online. That is how you can easily access your NTB credit card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.